Welcome back, children. Children, in the last intro class, I've given you what we are going to read in this lesson. Okay, we are going to read about the weather, climate, and the adaptation of animals to climate. Okay, see, children, at many occasions, okay, our parents, our foreparents, what they do is they plan many things based on the climate. Am I right? Like if they want to go for a family trip, they'll check whether the climate is good. If they plan for an occasion like a wedding or something like that, they'll check whether the climate is good. Okay, any function, any occasion they plan based on the climate. Am I right? And the weather. And even this, the discussion about the climate and the weather will be in the newspaper, and also in the TV news, they'll be discussing about the climate, right? You know, in today's newspaper, I remember seeing it that in 6 districts it will be like raining. Yeah, that happened, right? Yesterday night it was raining, and today also in my place it was drizzling. Okay, so based on the uh, what to tell, based on the situation surrounding, looking at the atmosphere, we can come to a prediction whether it will be raining or it will be a scorching sun, or how far the snowfall will be. Everything can be predicted. Okay, now let's move on to the first topic, that is weather. Okay, the remaining topic we'll see in the forthcoming class. Okay, see, if you want to see the weather report will be given, right? You know, in Sun TV and every player, every TV, you know, every channel will be able to find the weather report. Okay, in the newspaper also it will be given. What does this information carries? It carries about the information about the temperature, humidity, and the rainfall which happen and which is going to happen for the next 24 hours. Okay, see, they'll be telling, like, you know, for example, in Erode the temperature will be 34 degrees C. Okay, and you know, the humidity will be normal. And they'll be telling, like, you know, it may rain in some places in the Euro district, like that they predict and they'll tell. Okay, that is what is nothing but the weather report. Okay, and we can predict a weather report for a day. Okay, okay, and the humidity, I've already said, the moisture in the air. Okay, the amount of water which is present in the air, it's the moisture. Okay, and children, you need to do an activity regarding the weather report for a week. Okay, you collect the newspaper, and date wise you do the weather report, okay, for a week. Okay, date, what is the maximum temperature, what will be the minimum temperature, the same way, humidity maximum and humidity minimum, and also the rainfall. Okay, this is the tabular column given in 7.1 in your content book. You can do it. Okay, and children, see, this weather report will be prepared by the Department of Meteorological. Okay, it is a government department, and this department collects the data about the temperature, wind, and etc., which help us to predict the weather of that place. Okay, and children, I remember telling you, you know, if we continuously notice the maximum and minimum temperature of that place, temperature, humidity, and rainfall of that place for 1 week, that is 7 days, we can come to an conclusion saying that what will be the minimum and what will be the maximum temperature of that area. Okay, we have to notice it for quite long, I mean for a week. Then we can come to a prediction. Okay, this is what is the maximum temperature here. We can calculate the average and take it. Okay, and if you take the parameters and if you take the parameters and notice the temperature, that no 2 days will be having the same temperature. Yeah, practically speaking, yesterday daytime it was so sunny, and today it is okay, fine. But at the night it was raining yesterday, and we have to wait and see what's going to happen today. Okay, so the day-to-day condition of the temperature at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc., carries the weather at that place. Okay, we have to consider the humidity, temperature, rainfall, and also the wind speed. These are the elements which is used to calculate the weather of that place. Okay, is that clear? And children, see here, it is a complex phenomena. Okay, you know, within a short span of time, we cannot come to a conclusion how the weather will be. Okay, usually in some places, that's what I said, no, in Ooty. morning it will be so dull. It will be raining, and on the sudden around 10, 11 o'clock it will be so sunny. Okay, within fraction of minute it will start pouring. Okay, it will be cloudy. Okay, the full the what to tell the sky will turn grayish color. Okay, it may be dark grayish color. There won't be even sun will be there, and then by the end of the day we can find the sunset. It keeps changing. Okay, at times we can find the temperature. I mean, the climate keeps changing. The weather keeps changing. Okay, and this is a complex phenomena. So basically, keeping this on mind, we cannot conclude the weather of that place. Okay, is that clear, children? And see, the maximum temperature in Meghalaya, which was recorded, Meghalaya and Shillong, which was recorded on 3rd August 2006 to 9th August 2006, the maximum temperature, everything it's given in the graph. Okay, the maximum temperature was so and so, and the minimum was so and so, like that it is given. Okay, so the instrument which is used to measure the temperature is the thermometer. Okay, it is not the same thermometer which is used to find the temperature in human being. Okay, that is another set of thermometer which is used to measure the temperature, temperature during the weather season. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.